Welcome to the BlackBull Markets tutorial of how to register your account as a subscriber through the social trading platform. Now, firstly, you would have to log into your secure client area. And once you've logged in, if you scroll down to the trading tools tab on the left, under lead and follow and above platforms, you will then be able to see a sub tab called social trading. Now, as a client of BlackBull Markets, you get access to either be a provider or a subscriber. In this video, we're going to show you the subscriber functionality. Now, if you click the ratings tab, you'll be pushed onto a public providers ratings library. The ratings library will give you a list of all of the strategies that are currently running as providers with BlackBull Markets, and you'll have the choice to invest into these strategies. If you were to click through a strategy, for example, in this example here, we're looking at the umbrella strategy, we can see performance statistics across the period of time or the duration of that account trading with BlackBull Markets. It's all verified performance because the account data synchronizes from the BlackBull Markets MT4 server. Again, we can look at trading data, we can look at an instrument breakdown of what the strategy is trading. In this example, we can see a right spread through different FX assets and other trade statistics which may be interested to you as a potential subscriber of the strategy. Now, in order to subscribe to the strategy, you simply click the invest button, and this will bring up a user portal, and the user portal will begin the subscription process for registering as a subscriber. Very few simple steps here. The first step is to simply enter your MT4 account ID. Now, the MT4 account ID can be found by going into your secure client area. Under the accounts tab, you'll see a list of all the live accounts you hold. In this example, the number is 98210098771. So we simply input that here. And then the password to your account. If you're not aware of what the password is to your account, you can simply hit the cog button here and change the password as so. Here we have changed our password, and we go back to the subscriber registration and we input the new password. What we do now is we click the strategy that we want to subscribe into, and here we can see a description of the strategy as well as the ongoing offer. So the provider offer will simply let you know as to what the performance fee is on the account. This performance fee can be charged per trade, per day, per week, per month, per quarter, or per annum. In this example, where the offer currently is 50% per annum. So we are now going to register as a subscriber, and after registering, you'll be taken to your subscriber profile. Through the subscriber profile, you'll be given a list of instructions to complete, sort of like a checklist, in order to activate your subscription strategy. Now, this strategy subscription profile contains information about your risk tools that is highly important in order for you to successfully subscribe to the strategy according to your own risk parameters. So through the subscription strategy tab, you have different options of volume scaling: auto scale, multiply, fixed, and lots proportion. Now, a description is provided below as to what the different scaling strategies imply. However, some of them are pretty self-explanatory. For example, multiply means if your provider is trading one lot, you can have a percentage here that would replicate that trade as per your multiplier. So if you were to do 1, it would be 1 for 1. If you were to put 0.5, it would be for every 1 lot traded on the provider account, a 0.5 lot will be triggered on your account. In this example, we're going to go through a fixed lot auto scale option, which means you can copy your volume 1-to-1, i.e., which means if your provider account copies trades 2 lots, at any trade you will only trigger 1 lot. if they traded 10 lots, you would only trigger 1 lot. Now, these are great risk management tools if you're just starting out and wanting to start very small to test a strategy. So for example, you can trade as small as 0.01 lot, a micro lot, on this fixed volume scaling allocation method. Similarly, with the lots proportion, you can put a volume calculation based on the whole number of lots that are placed on the provider account, either on your equity or your balance. And that's similar to how a PAM or a MAM is set up. In this example, we're going to stick with our multiply, and we're going to put a 0.5% for every lot traded on the provider account. Save changes, and then you go on to the next step. If we hit correction, this will then put a max lot on your account that you would place at any time of your provider's trades. So in this example, we're going to put 10 lots. Now, if a trade is triggered above 10 lots, according to my multiply scaling, I have the option to either skip the trade or scale down to 10 lots. In this example, we're going to scale down to 10 lots. Hit save, and you go down to your risk management steps, which are extremely important. So this gives you the power to cut out or of your strategy at a total loss, or total profit, or a floating loss. So in this example, we're going to put a total loss threshold of $1,000. And at that point, if I was to ever reach $1,000 of loss, I will suspend myself from the strategy and close all positions. I have the choice here to keep positions, to close them all, or close all unprofitable positions at $1,000 threshold. Closing all unprofitable will simply close any trade that is not in a profit. In this example, we're going to hit create for close all at that particular rule. Now, these rules can be adjusted at any period of time of you following a strategy. Now, once that's done, you can hit activate after hitting actions, and you're given a choice to either copy or ignore the current positions of the provider. In this case, we're going to copy them. And now we've activated our subscription setting. You now have the option to follow this in real time through the positions tab at the bottom of your subscription profile, and monitor any fees that are paid as per your fee schedule from the fees terminal. If you do have any questions, please do let our support team know. We're available 24 hours a day, 6 days a week, or email us at support@blackbullmarkets.com. We're here to help you understand this product. We hope it adds value to your trading, and all the best of luck with your trades.